Welcome everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text or any kind of artwork like paint or anything on this surface of this old car. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to make a duplicate of this document, okay? So let's go to image and duplicate. Click OK. Now this is a different file, okay? So on this file or on this document, we're going to image, adjustments, and desaturate, okay? And after that, again, we're going to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. And we're going to keep it around 3. Click OK. And then we're going to File, Save As, and on your computer, save on your computer, and we're gonna name this file displaced or anything you can name this file anything. I'm gonna name it displaced and save it. Okay, and then close this file. Okay, now we are coming back to the original file. Now we are going to this text tool, horizontal type tool. Okay, click and then type the text. We're going to increase the size of the text and this much is okay. Enter and double click on the thumbnail of the text layer, and we're going to choose color from here or anywhere. You can choose from here. Click here and then choose a red color. Click OK, and this is the text. Now right click on the text layer and convert to smart object. Now press Ctrl T to transform this text. Right click and then choose distort. And we're gonna drag like this and we're gonna make it look as if it's in a perspective. Okay, I think this is fine. Click enter. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to filter, distort, displace. Now by default it's 10 on horizontal scale and 10 on vertical scale, so we keep it that way and we don't touch anything here. Just click OK, and this brings this this box where we need to select a file. So we just saved a file called displaced, so we're going to choose that file and click open. So now this is going to make this effect. Okay, the text has been distorted. So now after doing that, keeping our selection on that text layer, we're going to this blending option, and instead of normal we're going to choose multiply. So this gives us a look of the text being painted on the car. We still need to do a little bit of refinement. So on the text layer, double click, and then we have this option, blending option, and here we can see blend if. So there are two sliders of gradient, like yeah, it looks like gradient, but it's kind of two options for two different layers. So we're going to go to underlying layer, and this white thing, you just grab it and pull to the right. Now pull a little bit and then hold the Alt key and pull like that, and this will separate the two, I don't know what to say, these two little things, and you just bring one to the left side slowly, and I think that's enough, and we're gonna drag this right one to the right side again. Okay, click OK. So this looks great, and after that we're going to go to filter again and blur and Gaussian blur, and we're gonna keep the radius on 3 and click OK. So this makes the text look like it's painted on the surface of this old car. If you want to make it look even older, then we can just reduce the opacity of this text layer, okay, like this. So this is very, very old, but I think this much is enough. Okay, I think a little bit of opacity should be reduced. Yeah. So now it looks like this is painted on the car, this old car. So this is how you add text, not just text, but any kind of artwork and kind of design on the surface of this old car. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.